The National Institute of Ayurveda, NIA, deemed to be a university Jaipur, nestled under the aegis of the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, is a pinnacle of excellence in Ayurvedic education, research and patient care. The roots of NIA track back to the year 1845. With the passage of time and growing need of Ayurveda, the visionary ruler of Jaipur recognized the significance of this institution and took it under his patronage in 1865. In 1946, Ayurveda education earned an independent identity. When the Rajkiya Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya was established at the Madhav Vilas Palace, the year 1976 witnessed a pivotal moment in NIA's history, as it was chosen for an ambitious upgrade into a National Institute of Ayurveda. The institute's commitment to excellence bore fruit when it achieved the esteemed status of deemed to be a university de novo in 2020, bestowed upon it by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi.
जयपुर के राष्ट्रीय आयुर्वेद संस्थान को भी डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के रूप में आज लोकार्पित किया गया है। आयुर्वेद में उच्च शिक्षा, रिसर्च और स्किल डेवलपमेंट से जुड़े इन बेहतरीन संस्थानों के लिए राजस्थान, गुजरात के साथ ही पूरे देश को बहुत-बहुत बधाई।
The institute's guiding principle is to achieve the excellence in Ayurveda through its endeavors in education, research and healthcare services on a global scale through perceiving its ancient wisdom. This commitment aims to advance Ayurveda as a scientifically rigorous and internationally recognized discipline. NIA provides a comprehensive range of academic programs spanning from undergraduate BA/MS to postgraduate MD/MS in Ayurveda and postdoctoral PhD in Ayurveda studies, as well as diploma courses. This diverse curriculum facilitates a thorough and immersive learning journey. Remarkably, NIA is the sole institution in the Ayurvedic field offering various interdisciplinary MSc courses. The institute also attracts a global audience with over 70 foreign students from 20 different countries pursuing Ayurvedic studies.
National Institute of Ayurveda is an apex and prestigious institute of Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. It was established on 7th of February 1976 and it has completed almost 48 years of its journey. During this journey, the NIA is having so many successful milestones, and one of those major milestones, it was established as deemed to university on 9th of November 2020, and it is our honor, pride, privilege that our Honorable Prime Minister, he himself dedicated this institute as deemed to university to the country.
NIA's impact extends beyond the classroom and laboratory, with a 280-bedded NABH accredited hospital that embodies its commitment to patient-centric care. The hospital boasts state-of-the-art facilities including a Panchkarma center, modern operation theatres, ventilator-supported emergency care beds, a GMP-certified pharmacy and a pathology laboratory. With the capacity to serve around 4 lakhs patients annually and an average daily footfall of 1200 to 1500 patients in its OPD, NIA's hospital is a testament to its dedication to holistic healing. Research forms the core of NIA, driven by innovation and a scientific perspective. The institute conducts diverse multidisciplinary research spanning in vitro, in vivo, clinical, laboratory-based and literary studies. NIA's Drug Discovery and Development Unit DDDU is dedicated to exploring Ayurvedic medicines, creating new formulations, and establishing scientific evidence of their effectiveness and safety. Additionally, the Manuscriptology units plays a vital role in literary research, reviving ancient knowledge for contemporary use. NIA's influence stretches across borders, fostering global collaborations and knowledge exchange. The Institute's international MOUs with the Philippines and Malaysia exemplify its commitment to sharing Ayurvedic wisdom with the world. Additionally, NIA's national collaboration with institutions of eminence like AIIMS Jodhpur and MIT University remarks its role as a driving force in Ayurvedic education and research. NIA's commitment to innovation is demonstrated by its advanced facilities like a basic and advanced simulation lab, a virtual lab, and a virtual body dissection machine ensures that students have access to immersive and effective training tools. NIA's commitment to social welfare shines through its outreach activities like adopting villages, conducting medical camps, and distributing free medicines in tribal areas. The institute proudly holds accreditations from NABH, NAAC, GMP, and FSSAI. The institute's Guinness World Record, along with other accolades, serves as a testament to its exceptional contributions. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of an institution that preserves and propels Ayurveda into the future, in line with NIA's motto, Authentic Traditional Ayurveda with Current Scientific Fillip. Your participation is greatly appreciated.